How to be an alpha, Part 4. A physically fit person will always stand out in a room full of people who are trying to become somebody special. A person needs to look his or her best, no matter what age is. Being physically fit has so many pros. Want me to tell you some? The clothes that you wished you bought, the pictures and head turns you will capture, the health, the happiness, the energy. There is so much that you are compromising right now and missing everything you could achieve. Let me spill you a secret of psychology. So think for a minute, just a minute, that if you could for a minute see the best version of yourself, what you could have been if you joined the gym or continued that lesson, or what you could have been if you hit the gym for 5 months. So alpha. Now, instead of regrets or sadness, gather your motivation and hit the gym as soon as possible. I know you will not let yourself down this time. Alpha is always physically strong and fit. It gives you power mentally and emotionally too. See the bigger picture for yourself. Do not ever get manipulated by the comfort. For some time, sacrifice your temporary comfort and your future self will thank you for who you will become.